So let me show you how to set up the fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Now this phone has a fingerprint scanner on the power button on the side, this one right here. It's the side key, the power button, and it also doubles up as a fingerprint scanner. And you can use that to unlock your phone. So to set it up, simply go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down to biometrics and security, tap on that, and then go to fingerprints, tap on that, and then tap on continue. Now before you can set up fingerprint, you need to have set up either a pattern or a pin or a password as a backup method for your fingerprint. In case your fingerprint doesn't work, then you can use either of these. Now let me quickly set up a pattern. And with the pattern all set up, I can now go ahead and scan my finger. Now just select the finger you want to use. Let's say for instance I want to be holding my phone like this. So the most logical finger to use is my index finger on my left. So simply put your finger on the fingerprint scanner and lift, then put another angle and lift. Just keep putting different angles and lifting until the fingerprint scanner collects enough data. You need to keep changing the position of your finger so the fingerprint scanner can capture as much data as possible. And once it collects enough data, it will tell you the fingerprint has been added. And now all you have to do is tap on done. And that's it. It's going to ask me to back up my fingerprint, but I'll do that later. But now my fingerprint has been set. So now when I lock my phone and I want to unlock, I can either use a pattern or simply put my finger onto the scanner, and that's going to unlock my phone. Let's do that again. Simple as that. And that's basically how you can set up the fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.